Have you tried using AI while estimating and gotten not great results? Most of the time, the problem isn't the AI, it's the prompt. Better input gets better output. Let's go over 3 simple ways to improve your AI results immediately. Rule 1. Be specific. The more clearly you describe the work, the better the AI can match the correct line items. If you just type roof damage, you'll probably get something generic because the AI doesn't know how much roof to replace, what material, or what caused the damage. Instead, try, what line item should I use to replace 30 squares of asphalt shingles? The more specific you are, the more relevant the line item suggestions become. A good rule of thumb is, if the instructions would confuse a new hire, they'll probably confuse the AI too. Rule 2. Give context. AI doesn't know your situation unless you tell it. Let's say you're working on a Category 1 water loss that affected the kitchen and dining room. The affected areas have tile flooring with water exposure that's moderate but not severe. If your prompt is just, add water mitigation line items, the AI is missing important context about the room in question, the flooring type, and the level of water exposure. Instead, try, add Category 1 water mitigation line items for the kitchen and dining room with hard surface flooring and moderate saturation. That version works better because it gives the AI the context it was missing: the affected rooms, the flooring type, and the level of saturation. Rule 3. Refine, don't restart. Let's say you're going through training on an estimate and you reach a section about depreciation. You want a quick refresher, so you ask, what is depreciation in Xactimate? The answer explains the basics, but it still feels more technical than what you need in that moment. A common mistake is to start over with a brand new question, but starting over can lead to another broad answer. Instead, keep the conversation going and ask it to explain the same concept in clearer, more everyday language. Small refinements like this help the AI adjust its response without losing the context from your original question, so you can get to a clearer answer faster. When a response is helpful, mark it that way using the feedback options. That helps reinforce what worked and can improve the suggestions you see next. That's it. Be specific, give context, refine the result. Those 3 habits alone will help you get better AI output across Verisk tools like Xactimate and XactRestore, throughout your learning experiences in Xactware classroom and while working in the field. You don't always need a different tool. You may just need a better prompt.